Hi guys, what's up? Tim here. So in this video I want to show you my mouse tracking plugin that I have developed. I needed this plugin or this function for a different website, and here, let me show you. Here you can see the tracking function. You can see this looks really good, and also I made a complete plugin out of this. So let me show you the plugin, the backend. Here you can see the plugin backend of the tracking plugin, the cursor tracking plugin. Here you can see you can set the color. Let me change the color real quick. Here, this site is really cool, redketchup.io color picker. This is really cool to get a color. Here you can see, let me choose for example this blue, then we need the hex code here. So we copy the hex code, go here, paste in the hex code. Then we can also change the cursor size in pixel. So let's make this a little bit bigger. Here we can choose a cursor shape. So you can choose a circle, square, triangle, and donut form. So let's use, I don't know, triangle for example. Then here you can see the chase distance, how far this cursor tracking object should be far away from your mouse pointer, and you can set this here. Let me put this on, I don't know, 60, and here you can see also the position. We have top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. So let me change this. Or yeah, then let's go to the website. Let's refresh the website. And yeah, here you can see now we changed everything. I think this looks pretty good. It works really well. So you can install this, you can download this plugin for free. So I made this available, this plugin. Just go to my Patreon page, and there you can download this plugin if you want to. So you can use it completely for free. Link is in the description. And yeah, so I think let me show you top right. So here you can see bottom right. Let's change this. Let's reload this site. And yeah, now you can see now it's on the bottom right and works really good. So let's change this to circle, also donut form, and let's refresh the site. Yeah, and there you have it. So it looks really good. And yeah, so like I said, this plugin is completely free. I made it. Link is in the description. You can download it on my Patreon page. And that's it for the video. So all the links in the video description, like I said. Then thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video. Also support me on Patreon. And yeah, so then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.